Throw out your beauty blenders, ladies. For hack number 1, we have a homegrown beauty applicator. Are we that bored? You take liquid blush and just put it on the rose here, because this is gonna be so much quicker than just doing one of these. Ready? Okay, give us nothing. Now we blend it. I don't know what kind of brush that is, but I don't have that. Call me crazy, but we can just use the applicator, or you see these phalanges? We can just do that. Broccoli is no longer a side dish, it's a freckle stamper. Weird, I usually use cauliflower. You take liquid bronzer or liquid contour and paint your floret. Also, we can address that this is pretty wasteful. Did it work? Yes. What? I don't know. Yeah, that's not gonna work. I do love a little freckle moment. Let me find the pen. I like this one. I don't know what brand it is, but I'll put it in the box below, description box. You just pump it and it has these little prongs, and then you just do one of those wherever you want freckles. You just take your finger and blend it in like this. They look like actual freckles, I guess, without being wasteful. The woman is stunning, but this is ridiculous. We're going to make a little foam cleanser. Makeup remover on the cotton round. And then we're gonna put our mouth on it that has lots of bacteria, blow bubbles, and then wash our face with it. Prepare to be amazed. Let me watch it again. She's using the pink one. I don't know if that matters. I don't even use that stuff anymore. I just use coconut oil, but I think it's clogging my drain. I don't know. Let's take off one of these brows, because now we have a brow hack. Super simple, you just need a 4011 and a lighter. Get the tip, ladies, and I guess we let it cool down a bit. I feel like they just colored the banana. Put crayon on the banana to make that stupid video. Is it doing anything? Maybe if we do that. Looks like they have a fresher tip on their banana. Oh, there we go. You gotta really char this thing. I guess it works. If you have 30 minutes to burn to draw on your eyebrows, this is for you. Say it ain't so, we have an eyeliner hack. Paint your eyeliner on and press down. Oh, gorgeous. Maybe it's user error. Let's try it on the other side. She kind of went, whoop. Is that better? No. You know what this looks like? It looks like I used a fork to apply my eyeliner. I don't respect my $2 cubic zirconia earrings from Claire's enough to do this hack. I actually just keep all my earrings here with my retainer. But if you're fancy and you have lots of earrings that you gotta keep together, 2 dots on the cotton round, that's so you know where the hole is for next time. And you just pop the earring, it really is that simple, through here. And there you go, and you can put your 20 earrings here. That actually is pretty cool. Ah, well, until you take it off. You could also use a button. Just pretend there's not a bunch of cotton on the earring there. A bigger button, I saw this on Pinterest one time. Oh, bigger button holds the earrings. Where do I put my earrings? Those are problems to have. Now we have a fantastic hack from this lady's makeup artist for shimmery skin. You have a makeup artist? In this economy where an avocado is $5.99, you're telling me you pay someone to put your makeup on? Does said makeup artist hate you? Because this is gonna get all over your clothes. So you rough up the powder, take some baby oil. We're gonna leave any baby oil jokes out because last time I got in a little bit of trouble. Baby oil in here. Oh, I'm gonna slip and fall and break my neck. Eyeshadow in here. Shake this up and you'll have this mess. I know this is crazy, but they do make body shimmer spray and they have it at the Dollar Tree. Ugh, I really do hate baby oil. It doesn't look like hers, which I don't want mine to be that dark. Trying not to get canceled over here. I think I hate it. If you don't have one of these curling irons, they're called chopstick irons. You can do chopstick curls with a chopstick. So we're gonna take a little piece and wind it up. And then tap it with a flat iron. Oh, that's actually cool. Look at that. I do like this hack. Now this looks like a straight up magic trick. We have stretched out ponytails. I wish they were a little bit more loose. Let's go boil some water and see. Did it work? Yeah, I guess it did, right? Do they look different? I don't know. Pretend this is clean. That wraps up ridiculous hacks. Hang on, here's the dog. Thanks for nothing, for making lots of noise. Thanks for being here. If you want to check out my other channels, I just did a similar video on my cooking channel testing ridiculous cooking hacks. Those were just wacky. And if you want to keep up with my garden, I'm on Instagram stories doing gardening.